Hello Alaska, Ben Linford here with Linford of Alaska Wholesale Foods. We're celebrating 50 years with a greatest hits tour of great Alaskan restaurants and recipes. Today we're at Kincaid Grill with Chef Drew Johnson. Hi Drew.
Hey Ben.
How's it going?
Oh, it's good. Very good.
Another great day in Alaska, huh? Yeah. You're not the original owner, but you've been with?
Correct, yeah. So the restaurant, again, we're going on 20 years. I've been here for 15 of those. I was basically born into a restaurant. My parents had a barbecue restaurant.
Coming from Alabama, any of the southern cooking, southern style, make it into your world these days?
A little bit, you know. I try to blend some of the southern with also the Pacific Northwest cuisine.
All right, so I hear we're gonna have some seafood fusion soup today. Can you tell me the process? How do you make that amazing dish?
So it's a pretty simple process. We're going to begin with preparing the soup, which will be essentially just having all the ingredients combined and steeped together in a pot with all the various flavors going on. We're gonna open up the coconut milk. The next item we've got going in is going to be lemongrass. You wanna bruise it so that you pull out all the oils as much as you possibly can from the lemongrass. Other than that, we're gonna add the lime leaf, sugar, fish sauce. We'll add all those ingredients together, and then we're just gonna let it coast for a while and give time for all those ingredients to transition. And then after that, we're gonna make the shrimp wontons. We use shrimp and turn that into kind of a paste. Then after that, we're just gonna go through and form the wontons, poach those, and then add those to the soup. And then we're gonna garnish. And there you have it. One of our iconic dishes here at Kincaid Grill, seafood fusion soup with shrimp wontons.
Featuring Alaska's most iconic recipes. Pre-order the Greatest Hits Cookbook today.